What is up guys, welcome to another video and you are watching CB Tech here. In this video we are going to talk about the upcoming Note series smartphone from Samsung. Recently many images have been leaked related to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 9. What they really show is that the top and the bottom bezel are even furthermore shrunken and the fingerprint sensor have been relocated. Talking about the component leaks, the screen protector for the Note 9 have been leaked. It also shows that the bottom and the top bezel have been shrunken down just by little, but it can still be seen, and there is a visual difference between the bezel of the Note 8 compared to that of the Note 9. And many of the case manufacturers for the smartphones have started the production of the cases related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So enough of a talk with the design aspects and the component leaks. Let's talk about the specs which is going to be packed inside the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Kicking things off with the performance, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will come in two variants, one with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 and the other one with Exynos 9810. Depending on the market you live. Exynos recorded a single score of 2737 and a multi-core score of 9064, and Snapdragon had 2411 and 8712. So anyhow, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is going to be a powerful beast. Talking about the display, it is going to have a 6 inches of Super AMOLED display with 1080 x 2048 with 386 ppi pixel density. The smartphone screen will be protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and have multi-touch capacitive screen. However, according to Android Authority, the resolution might be 2960 x 1440. Discussing about the camera, regarding imaging, it has an 8 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash with a resolution of 4616 x 3464 pixels. The camera characteristics includes ISO control, exposure, compensation, touch to focus, face detection, autofocus, auto flash, face detection, and digital zoom. Regarding video, it comes with 3840 x 2160 at 30 frames per second, 1920 x 1080 at 60 frames per second, and 1280 x 720 at 120 frames per second. If we talk about the operating system and the SIM, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be running on Android 7.1.1 Nougat and has both GSM and single SIM of nano size. However, according to Android Authority, the software might be Android 8.1 Oreo with Samsung Experience. The Note 9 will also have the latest update of the familiar artificial intelligence assistant Bixby 2.0. And if we furthermore talk about the network, the options available are 4G, which supports the Indian bands 3G and 2G too. Talking about the price, the most important factor of any smartphone, the competition on the market is fueled by its competitor Apple with its high price for iPhone X, so Samsung may choose an expensive price tag for the Note 9 as well in order to keep a good pace. As an example, the Note 8 retailed for $929, moreover the S9 and S9 Plus increased in price in most countries. So here was the video regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 covering all the leaks and the rumors. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.